Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off active status on TikTok. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off active status on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app. And over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on your profile icon. And over here guys, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be required to tap on the three-lined icons. And over here guys, again tap on the settings and privacy at the bottom. And again tap on the privacy, which is the second one just below the account. Tap on privacy guys, and over here you can see the activity status option, which is the second one, and at the right side of that option there is a toggle icon for us. Tap on that toggle icon and that will be turned off, and this way guys your active status on TikTok will be turned off. And then guys, this is how to turn off active status on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.